Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel again. So guys, in this video we will see how to recover deleted Grok AI chats in 2026. So guys, you can recover deleted Grok AI chat directly through the platform built-in data control menu that's provided the conversation were deleted within the last 30 days. X hold the deleted chats in the temporary recent deleted and safely queue before moving them to permanently delete. For this guys, first of all, how you recover? First of all, you logged in your account. Okay, after that guys, click the option of your profile. So guys, here you see this is your profile. Okay, then guys, go to the option of settings. In the settings guys, here you find the option of data control. So when you click on the data control, so guys, after that click the option of manage data, manage delete conversations. So here you see deleted conversation. Here you see deleted conversation. View and restore the conversation that you have deleted. So deleted conversations are permanently removed after 30 days. Okay, so if your conversation is more than 30 days, so guys you are unable to get back, but if you are eligible, so you go here. So guys, here you see that currently I am not deleting any conversation, so here you see no deleted conversation found. Okay, so this is a simple way that you can do to recover your chats. Okay, these all options are available for your mobile and your MacBook and your web versions. So you just follow the same steps to get the chat back on any platform. So guys, thank you.